In this video, we are going to revise noise pollution. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Unwanted sound affecting health and environment. Noise pollution regulation and control rules 2000 under Environment Protection Act 1996. Permissible limits day-night decibel. Industrial 75 by 70. Commercial 65 to 55. Residential 55 to 45. Silence zone 50 to 40. These are the permissible limit. Loudspeaker prohibited 10 pm to 6 am. Exception for closed premises. Other laws. Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Horn silencers. Air Act 1981. Noise as pollutant. Enforced by SPCBs and PCCs. Initiative. Silence zone near hospitals, schools. Green cover trees as a sound barrier. And soundproofing in buildings. Industrial norms. Noise reducing equipments. And NANMN National Ambient Noise Monitoring Network. 70 stations, 7 cities since 2011. Radioactive pollution definitions. Release of radioactive substance radiations into environment. Sources. Natural cosmic terrestrial radiation. Radon gas inhalation. Radioactive minerals ingestion. And anthropogenic nuclear power plants. Spent fuel waste. Nuclear waste disposal. Nuclear weapons test. Fallout. Medical industrial uses. Radiation types. Non-ionizing. Low energy example microwaves, visual light. Ionizing. High energy removes electrons, example X-rays, gamma rays, alpha beta neutrons. Alpha low penetration like paper skin. And beta moderate penetration like plastic glass. Gamma high penetration like lead and concrete. Effects. Human health. Cancer, leukemia, thyroid. Genetic mutation, birth defect, acute radiation syndrome, ARS. Immune suppression. Environment wildlife mutation, plant chromosomes damage, soil contamination, and bioaccumulation in food chains. Chernobyl disaster 1986. Massive contamination, I-131 and CS-137 SR-90. Red forest, thyroid cancer research, mass displacement. Control measures like strict safety standards, regular monitoring, advanced containment, radiation shielding, secure disposal, deep geological, spent fuel recycling, emergency plans. India's waste management philosophy. Delay and decay for short-lived. Dilute and dispose for low level. Concentrate and content for medium high level. Recycle and reuse for non-harmful valuable isotopes. India's practices. Solid waste. Volume reduction. Immobilization disposed in stone concrete. Trenches, NSDFs monitored by bore wells. Liquid waste low levels. Filtration, adsorption and evaporation. High level waste HLV. Vitrification immobilized in borosilicate glass. Interim storage 15 to 20 years cooling. Final disposal deep geological repositories. Plant HLW plants. Trombe, Tarapur and Kalpakkam. These are high level waste plants at Trombe near Bombay, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kalpakkam. I think in wealth from waste, recovery of isotopes like CS-137, SR-90, Ru-106 for medical industrial use. Next is plastic pollution. Accumulation of persistent plastic waste, micro, meso, macro in environmental causes, high SUP use, poor waste management, littering, lack of awareness. Sources. Packaging, consumer goods, agriculture, medical, fishing gear, textile and microfibers. Types. Microplastics less than 5 mm microbead fiber breakdown fragments, single use plastic, SUP, bags, straws, bottle. India third globally, 5.5 metric ton per year. India states 26,000 tons by per day generated. 10,000 tons uncontrolled per capita use 11 kilogram per year. Effects: aquatic life, entanglement, ingestion 52%, sea turtle, toxin exposure, human health, chemical leaching, BPA, and patholates and hormonal disruption, potential cancer risk, microplastic ingestion, economy, high cleanup cost of waste management like environment, soil degradation, groundwater, air pollution, burning plastics, urban flooding, and clogging drains. These are the effects. Great Pacific garbage patch, 1.6 metric kilometer square, 80,000 tons plastic, 46% fishing gear. Causes: anoxia. Challenges: persisting SUP use, weak infrastructure, false biodegradable, microplastic, unknown impacts. Control measures: SUP bans, biodegradable alternatives, enhanced recycling, EPR extended, producer responsibility, public awareness. India's measures: plastic waste management, PWM rule, MOEFCC. 2016, 50 micron bags thickness. 2018, phased out non-recyclable multi-layered plastic. 2021, banned identified SUPs effective from July 1st, 2022. Increased bag thickness to 75 microns September 2021, 120 microns December 2022. 2022, strengthen EPR for plastic packaging, mandated recycling target. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, MOHUA. Focus on garbage free cities, 100% source segregation, collection, scientific processing. Links to such survection uses National Dashboard, CPCB monitoring module. Emerging pollutants. Definitions like newly detected pollutants with unknown or unregulated impacts. Examples: pharmaceuticals and personal care product, PPCPS. Examples: antibiotics, hormones, sunscreens, and oxybenzone. Sources: improper disposal, excretion, industrial hospital wastewater, agriculture runoff. Impacts: aquatic endocrine disruptions, antibiotic resistance, human hormone imbalance, and bioaccumulation. Industrial chemicals, PFAS, forever chemicals from non-stick cookware, firefighting foam, persistent, linked to cancer, immune issues. PBDES, dominated flame retardants from electronics, furniture. Neurodevelopmental endocrine disruption, patholates and plasticizers from toys, packaging, reproductive issues, endocrine disruption. Pesticide degradation product. Example: breakdown of atrazine and chlorpyrifos. Sources: agricultural runoff. Impacts: water soil contamination, ecosystem disruption, pest resistance. Here is quick look like composting, aerobic decomposition of organic waste, recycling, processing used material into new, biofertilizers, microbe-based soil nutrient. Example: rhizobium. Biopesticide, natural pest control. Example: bioherbicides. DBA, decibel means weighted unit for noise. EPR, extended producer responsibility for waste management. Vitrification means turning high level liquid radioactive waste into glass. Radionuclide, unstable atom emitting radiation. Biomagnification, increasing concentration of a food chain. Endocrine disruption, chemical interfering with hormones, microfibers, tiny synthetic fibers from clothing. This is the end of the lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that UPSC focus videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.